Hi guys, today magamukbang kami with Ali. Ang amon mukhaan on subong is fishball, kwek-kwek, nuggets, siomay, ano ni?
Cheese stick.
Cheese stick,
Toge.
yes, toge, kag may mga sauce mo kami ni guys with Coke. So guys, sa amon nga mukbang subong ay may twist. Ang twist is samtang kakaon kami, may nag-question sa amon kaya pa nauna kami answer. Okay.
So first question, what is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter. Di ba Jupiter?
Okay, second, what is the boiling point of water in Celsius?
90 degrees.
100? Ano? 45? Ano? 100?
Yes, 100. So third question, what is the national animal of the Philippines?
Carabao.
Okay, very good. Another question, what is the currency of the United Kingdom?
Euro.
Dollar. Rum.
UK Euro.
Rum.
Yan. Ano? Patulog.
Euro. Pass.
So next question, what is the chemical symbol for gold?
AU.
Okay, very good.
Ka-support na lang ako.
Next, what is the capital city of Japan? What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Which famous ship sank in 1912 after eating an iceberg?
Titanic.
Okay, very good. Another, what is the main language spoken in Brazil?
Spanish.
Portuguese.
Okay, very good. Next, which planet is known as the red planet?
Mercury. Mars. Mars.
Okay. Which continent is known as the dark continent?
Saturn.
Good.
Antarctica.
Europe.
South America.
Australia.
North America.
Asia.
Oceania.
Continent. Ano pa ako? South Africa. North America. Africa. South Africa. Ay, oo.
Africa.
Africa continent.
Bukag.
Ano? Africa. Sorry.
What is the process by which plants make their own food?
Photosynthesis.
Agree.
So, who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
William Shakespeare.
Oh my gosh, guys, namit-namit ang ilang food. I love this one.
Okay, next question. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
So, which organ pumps blood throughout the human body?
Heart.
Okay, good.
Ang heart ko ay para lang sa kanya.
Yeah, okay. So, you got your answer now. So, there's no question. Just focus na. Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Yeah.
Alright guys, hindi na scripted ha. Mag-random lang na mga question, pero wala na naman nakitang question. So, kamanood na ako mga alam.
Okay. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth?
Diamond!
Yeah, shine by the
Who discovered gravity after observing a falling apple?
Albert Einstein.
It's Which instrument has 88 keys? instrument.
No.
I prefer
Piano?
this instrument. Yes, piano.
Piano. Okay, piano. No, that.
What is the largest? Sir. Sir. Dessert in the world.
Sahara. Dessert.
Oh, Sahara.
Dessert.
Dessert. Okay.
Dessert.
Alright, so dami kita sa atin yung mga random questions. So, sa subong, ang amo niyo pamangkot as a graduating fourth year college student, ano ang inyo ma-advise sa mga pamatanon nga nagahanduman nga mag-take sang sini nga program?
Ano naman?
Come on.
Ano ang naman sabi yung question?
As graduating fourth year college student, ano ang inyo ma-advise sa mga pamatanon nga nagahanduman nga mag-take sang the same program?
Wala ka rin hanggan?
What's your advice?
Ang advice ko lang sa inyo nga be responsible enough as a student to your responsibility. Sis, I mean, kaya mo. Tapos, do the assessment na ihatag sa mga professor kag umana, be dedicated, be responsible enough, and dapat palatuon ka kay expectation sa gwa sa imo sa
Person.
mga person nga sa gwa. Kay ikaw in English, dapat ano kagad perfect kagad perfect kagad sa in terms of grammar at kung saan ang mabala. Yes. Kaya once nga mag-English ka kung sa lakas mo grammar, damo mga judgment makapatilan mo sa iba ng tao.
Okay, so since you are taking Bachelor of Arts English Language, so this will be your challenge. So pwede nga ang imo sabat ano siya in English at in Hindi ganyan.
Career.
My advice is to be lead, to be open to changes, to be open for responsibilities, and to be or not to be.
Kaya mo na din. Kaya.
English only, English only.
So again, that's all the not satisfied. But
So guys, kaya tama na lang. Hindi na lang naubos guys, kaya-diet ko. Kaya-diet pa si friends. So, the-end na lang mo ng video and hope you like it. Kag na pa, laway ta ka mo because kami naglalaway na kanina. Bye! So hey guys, for today's video ay gagawa tayo ng mukbang. Hi guys, sa mga adlaw, magamukbang kita sa aton nga